Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial I am gonna show you how you can download Google Play Store on your PC. So once you are in your desktop and then open your browser, now click on new tab and then on the top right corner here you can see 9 dot icon, just click on that, and here you can see Google Play Store icon, just click on that. Now click on phones. Now on the top right corner here you can see 3 dot icon, just click on that. Now we have to find out create shortcut option. Here you can see more tools. You will find out the shortcut option here. If you don't have this option, then you can see the option here, just save and share, just click on that. And on the left panel here you can see create shortcut option, just click on that, and here tick mark this option, click on create. And here you go. So now if I go back our desktop, and here you can see we have successfully installed the Google Play Store in our PC. So this is how you can install Google Play Store on your PC. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.